Unit 8, Lesson 12, Using Mean and MAD to Make Comparisons. Number 1. The dot plot shows the amounts of time that 10 U.S. students and 10 Australian students took to get to school. Which statement is true about the MAD of the Australian data set? I selected D. The MAD of the Australian data set is significantly greater than the MAD of the US data set. Number 2. The dot plot shows the amounts of time that 10 South African students and 10 Australian students took to get to school. Without calculating, answer the question. A. Which data set has the smaller mean? Explain your reasoning. The data set for the Australian students has the smaller mean because there are fewer data points greater than 20 compared to South Africa's data set. B. Which data set has the smaller MAD? Explain your reasoning. Australia has the smaller MAD because their data points are more tightly grouped and located closer to the center of the distribution compared to the South African data set. C. What does a smaller mean tell us in this context? In this context, a smaller mean equals shorter times getting to school. D. What does a smaller MAD tell us in this context? A smaller MAD tells us that the times are closer together and more similar overall, and the data is closer to the mean. Number 3. Two high school basketball teams have identical records of 15 wins and 2 losses. Sunnyside High School's mean score is 50 points, and its MAD is 4 points. Shadyside High School's mean score is 60 points, and its MAD is 15 points. Lynn read the records of each team's score. She likes the team that had nearly the same score for every game it played. Which team do you think Lynn likes? Explain your reasoning. Lynn likes Sunnyside High School because their MAD is 4, compared to Shadyside's MAD of 16. This means that Sunnyside High School's basketball scores are always within 4 points of 50 points. So they almost have the same score every time, compared to Shadyside High School, who's usually within 16 points of scoring 60. Number 4. Jada thinks the perimeter of this rectangle can be represented with the expression A plus B plus B. Andre thinks it can be represented with 2A plus 2B. Do you agree with either, both, or neither of them? Explain your reasoning. Both Jada and Andre are correct because 2A plus 2B equals A plus B plus B. Number 5. Draw a number line. A. Plot and label 3 numbers between -2 and -8, not including -2 and -8. Here you can see I've drawn a number line, and to the left of 0, I've plotted -4, -5, and -6. B. Use the numbers you plotted and the symbols less than and greater than to write 3 inequality statements. 3 inequalities using these numbers are -6 is less than -5, -5 is greater than -6, and -4 is greater than -6. Number 6. Adult elephant seals generally weigh about 5,500 pounds. If you weighed 5 elephant seals, would you expect each seal to weigh exactly 5,500 pounds? Explain your reasoning. No, not every seal will weigh the same. The data will vary, meaning there will be a variability in the data. Some elephant seals will weigh more than 5,500 pounds, and some elephant seals will weigh less than 5,500 pounds. Congratulations, you have completed Unit 8, Lesson 12, using mean and mad to make comparisons.